दोस्तों, welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit, and today I have with me the lovely cast of 14 Fere. Well, we talk about marriages. Marriages is a lovely thing, we talk about reunion of souls. हर जगह, हर दुनिया में, हर जगह पे वो अलग ही सीन होता है, लेकिन इंडिया में it's always double the drama, double the melodrama, double the love, double everything. And to talk about that double factor, we have these amazing people over here. Thank you so much for joining us over here, first of all.
Thank you, Shubhajit, for having us here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure. First question first, Devanshu sir को before I move ahead, would be कि हमारे देश में सर ये काफी कहा जाता है कि इंडिया में जब शादी होता है ना तो वो सिर्फ it's not about the two souls. I won't say just man and woman because I believe in all forms of love, but it's not just about two souls. It's about two families also getting married. तो असली जिंदगी में सर कितने इस चीज को आप मानते हो, बता दो मेरे को।
बिल्कुल सही, यही है, यही सलीका, यही तरीका है जो देखा है हमने, हम सब ने, आपने, मैंने। के सवाल में ही आपका जवाब छिपा है।
Fair enough. But quickly moving ahead to Kriti over here. I saw the trailer and obviously you've been doing some amazing work in the past as well, Z5, Bolo ya whatever. When I think this is the first time, if I'm not wrong, you're working with Vikrant, है ना?
Yes. Yeah. This is the first time we're working together.
Superb. So just to keep the basics intact, he's a fantastic actor. He's been having a golden run. I spoke to him during Haseen Dilruba as well. And what are the kind of experiences that you guys have had on the sets in terms of getting to know each other better? Because when you don't know each other pehle se, so it's a different ball game altogether. You need to break the ice and then go ahead. So what was it like with him?
To be honest, I don't think there was a phase of ice breaking. The day Vikrant and I first met, there was a certain comfort between us, which felt very, it felt like I had known him, maybe obviously because I knew of his work and I knew of Vikrant, but I'd never hung out with him one-on-one. But I think we're both very warm people, we're both non-pretentious. I think that really helped breaking the ice, like as one would call it. But very frankly, I felt like, I've known Vikrant and I don't remember there ever being an awkward phase or a graduation to a friendship. I just felt like it was always there. There was a warmth that was always there and there was a comfort that was always there.
Lovely. So I think it was very organic right from the very beginning.
Yeah, 100%.
Quickly moving on to you, Vikrant sir. I saw the trailer and कुछ अलग ही level के punchlines से. I really want to start with you on this one. I think कुछ ऐसा था कि मैं नहीं चाहता कि हमारे बच्चे आगे जिंदगी में जाके लड़ाई करें, तो क्यों ना वो भाई बहन बन जाए. I really want to know, स्कूल या कॉलेज में कभी did you try all these kind of lines for someone या फिर किसी ने आपके ऊपर ट्राई किया हो to impress you?
नहीं यार, ऐसी हिम्मत ही नहीं हुई कभी करने की, और ना ही मेरे पे किसी ने कभी ऐसी लाइनें मुझ पे डायरेक्ट की हैं. वो जो चीजें मैं जनरल लाइफ में नहीं कर पाता हूँ, वो मैं अपने काम के जरिए में वो पूरा कर लेता हूँ. वो कैमरे के सामने कॉन्फिडेंस अलग आ जाता है. But yeah, that line goes something like this.
आपको रिस्पॉन्स पता होता है ना उसका पहले से.
Exactly, शायद क्योंकि पता है कि यहाँ पे थप्पड़ नहीं पड़ेगा. तो the line goes something like this कि मैं नहीं चाहता कि हमारा बेटा बड़ा हो के तुम्हारी बेटी पे लाइन तो क्यों ना भाई. एंड वो मतलब भाई साहब और मनोज कलवानी जिन्होंने ये फिल्म लिखी है, द राइटर ऑफ आवर फिल्म, मनोज कलवानी की लिखी हुई लाइन है ये, उन्होंने लिखी थी ये लाइन. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू हियर दिस फ्रॉम यू क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों ने एक्चुअली ट्रेलर के थ्रू इस लाइन को पिकअप किया है. इट इज काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. ये लाइन तुम लोग मारो जाके बाहर.
ये लाइन आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट्स गोना गेट वायरल. आप देखो कुछ दिन में मीम्स सोशल मीडिया, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक पे देखो, इट्स गोना बी टर्निंग इनटू अ नाइस.
I think it's already there because I have read so many comments wherein boys have said they've actually gone both ways and they said यार ये लाइन तो यूज करनी बनती है, इस पे तो कोई गुस्सा भी नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि इतनी फैमिली ओरिएंटेड लाइन है, मतलब इतनी कमिटमेंट वाली लाइन है ये कि आप प्यार के लिए नहीं पूछ रहे हो, आप सीधा शादी की बात कर रहे हो. एक तो वो, दूसरा किसी ने बोला सामने से इस लड़की ने हाथ पकड़ा, शायद कोई मेरा भी हाथ पकड़ लिए लाइन सुनने के बाद. आई नो दैट इट्स वेरी रिलेटेबल.
It's and especially with the youth जो लोग, because in today's time मैं कहूँ तो the definition of love हम लोग it's a different Gen Z culture altogether. While there is love in one hand, we also see this different dating apps and all का culture भी है. So I think these kind of lines make a lot of impact as well. Moving on to you, Devanshu sir, right now as I already mentioned कि I think this is the first time they're together. So आपको कौन से moment में ख्याल आया कि these two will make the ideal, I would say Sanjay and Aditi for the vision that you have had?
जैसे रिश्ता होता है ना, आपको पहले से पता नहीं होता क्या होने वाला है, लेकिन कहीं लिखा होता है. It was like that. It was meant to be this way, and I'm very fortunate it happened this way, and I got connected to these guys, and they loved the script so much, and they had faith in me. They respected me so much. तो बस वही है, आप जैसे अच्छा परिवार, अच्छी टीम बनाना चाहते हो, वैसे शादी जैसा ही हुआ. वो मेरे कुंडली में इनका नाम लिखा हुआ था.
इन्होंने हमारी कुंडलियां मिलवाई हैं.
क्या बात है. On screen में हो रहा है, and I think उसके वजह से a lot of good stuff will be happening as well. Kriti, what I really want to know from your end, again थोड़ा हटके quirky सवाल है. मुझे ये I think title से मेरे को याद आया, 14 फेरे is what it is right now. So अगर कभी आपको जिंदगी में, it's a very hypothetical question, whenever you get married in the future, you make a lovely pair with Pulkit, of course, whenever जब आप लोग शादी करो, do you want to take this idea forward कि अरे यार सब लोग तो 7 फेरे लेते, क्यों ना हम लोग एक extra round मारे, and it might just turn out to be something really good. Did you ever think something like this?
Yeah, stop putting ideas in my mother's head. I can't answer this question only. मतलब मैं ये आंसर ही नहीं कर पाऊंगी, आप मुझे घर पे फंसवाओगे. रहने देते हैं.
No, no worries. I'll not put any new ideas to your mother's head right now.
Thank
you. Stick to the film, of course. Vikrant sir, जो आपको, I think I was talking to you during Haseen Dilruba, and at that point of time as well, I mentioned कि writing is very important when it comes to what actors play on screen. It's the basic, it's the foundation of any project. यहाँ पे also you guys are doing a fantastic job. The chemistry is looking good, but how much do you actually want to rate the writing and the direction for what you have, Kriti, have been able to do on screen? What do you want to add to that?
I think I would give it 100%. It's always a balance of both. It is always what you have on paper to be translated on camera. वो 50-50 होता ही होता है. As I said while we spoke during Haseen Dilruba कि अगर दिखावट अच्छी नहीं होती है, अगर आपको उसमें फेथ नहीं होता है, तो सबसे पहले तो आप वो फिल्म करते ही नहीं है. अगर आपने अपना वक्त, अपना जिंदगी का अहम वक्त निकाल के अगर किसी फिल्म को दिया है, किसी कहानी को दिया है, तो there is definitely an element of faith and trust in it. And then to have someone like Devanshu to translate that script which was written on paper onto screen, I think it was very easy. And I think generally in life, not like, I would just not say Devanshu, but generally जो होता है, it's always a balance between the two. Actors primarily respond, our job is to respond. तो जो लिखा होता है उसको अगर डायरेक्टर समझ जाते हैं अच्छे से, उस दुनिया को पन्ने से उतार के अगर कैमरे के सामने अगर वो सही तरीके से लाते हैं, तो एक्टर्स को सिर्फ रिस्पॉन्ड करना होता है. And I think that's what I have done here also. I was very, very blessed with a very good script to begin with. To have someone like Devanshu, who's always kept all his doors open, सारे सवाल जवाब, he's always very, very receptive as a director. And with Kriti, I think she's so spontaneous as an actor. तो मेरा आधा काम तो आसान ही हो जाता था. मैं सिर्फ उस वक्त, I think, for a change जो generally मैं नहीं करता हूँ, मतलब मैं अपने बालों पे ध्यान दे रहा हूँ, मैं अपने मेकअप पे ध्यान दे रहा हूँ, मैं अपने कपड़ों पे ध्यान दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि सारी चीजें इतनी clearly आपको, and we've also spent quite a lot of time even before we went on floor. हमने बहुत वक्त बिताया था, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन का टाइम था और ये बहुत जिद्दी आदमी है. ये इन्होंने लॉकडाउन में भी जूम पे बैठ के घंटों रीडिंग की हमारे साथ, और फिर उसके बाद जब दुनिया रीओपन हुई तो फिर घर पे ऑफिस में बैठ के भी रीडिंग की थी. तो एक तैयारी मोर और लेस. आजकल की फिल्में अगर आप देखें, और द काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स दैट आई डू, दे आर नॉट वेरी वेरी हेवी ऑन बजट, दे आर वेरी प्रोडक्शन फ्रेंडली फिल्म्स, बट वन रियली हैज टू बी वेरी माइंडफुल ऑफ द फैक्ट कि you are not going to prepare on set. You are only going to execute on set. All your preparation actually happens in your trailer, or in your van, or even before you reach the set. So I think that structure always remains, irrespective of the kind of film you're doing.
Kriti, I really want to ask you this question because I think you're the only woman out here, and I want your views on this. It's no hidden fact कि पहले के ज़माने के comparison में right now the success ratio of marriages has kind of gone down over the last few years, and I feel it also has a nice thing attached to it, because women who were earlier subjected to a lot of negative stuff, they are coming out of it and they are having the guts to come out of it. But do you think ये जो overall trend and pattern रहा है इंडिया में कि it's always about all the entire families and not, sometimes do you feel कि इसके वजह से the consent of the girl or even the man, but because you're the woman I'm asking you this one, the consent of the girl gets kind of like lost because of all this? Do you think we can do something better in order to achieve that?
See, very frankly, I'll tell you the difference between maybe 20-25 years ago and today. The difference is dependency.
Yes.
Earlier it was a custom that the man would go out and work, earn the money, the woman would run the house, and they were very defined in those roles, which is why it felt like the women were being oppressed. But the honest truth of the matter is, with time, we realize that while today you'll find far more house husbands in number, they are open to the idea of taking care of the house and the woman going out there and exploring not just her talent, but the fact that she wants to make the money and she thinks she's capable of doing a lot more. But I think आज के टाइम में अगर शादियां लास्ट नहीं कर रही हैं, it's because people don't want to compromise and settle for less, and I think that works for both parties. To be very honest, you would much rather not be in a relationship than be in a relationship where you feel misunderstood or unheard or not valued or just unhappy, plain simple. And I would much rather be in a relationship in today's time than be in a relationship 25 years ago, because unfortunately our parents were given वो सीख कि जो भी हो जाए रिश्ता निभाना है. किसी ने ये नहीं बोला जो भी हो जाए अपनी खुशी पे compromise मत करना. Today our parents give us that, where they say, come what may, it's okay if you're not married, but don't get married to someone you're unsure of, and don't get married to someone who doesn't make you happy. So I think वो सीख में बहुत फर्क आ गया, and we should really respect and admire that people out there, man, woman, irrespective today, have it in them to ask for their happiness, and rightly so, because what may hurt today, and you'll probably cry about it for a few days, 6 months down the line, you'll be fine and you'll be in a happier place.
That's very well pointed out, because nothing matters more than individual happiness. अगर आप खुद खुश नहीं हो, you can't keep the other person happy.
Exactly.
That's a very, very important point you mentioned. Last question before I wrap up with you all would be to Devanshu sir. वो ये है कि marriage and all जो भी है, we talk about it, it's an institution, it's about two families getting together and all. But do you personally feel कि the way you have portrayed it, I'm yet to see it, I'm very excited to see it, but the way it has been portrayed in terms of multiple elements like comedy, drama and all, do you sometimes do you feel कि the reality of the situation जो असली जिंदगी में होता है with couples who are having that kind of dilemma, वो कहीं ना कहीं दिखेगा, या it could probably be subdued because of the other factors that are associated with it? You can answer that the best, because you're the director here.
तो जितनी चीजें स्क्रिप्ट में लिखी गई है वो एक्चुअली जो रियलिटी में जो ड्रामा होता है, नाटक होता है, रोना धोना होता है, टंटे होते हैं शादी के, उन्हीं सारी चीजों का एक कंडेंस्ड वर्जन है फॉर संजय नदी, राइट? बट कुछ लोग होंगे जो कहेंगे कि अरे हमारे यहाँ हो चुका है, कुछ होंगे जो कहेंगे हमारे यहाँ से ज्यादा हुआ है, कुछ लोग बोलेंगे अरे यार यहाँ बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है,
कुछ लोग बोलेंगे कि काश हमारे साथ हो जाए, इतना एंटरटेनिंग है.
तो या इट इज समवेयर इन द मिडल ऑफ the universe that we live in and the atmosphere that we are surrounded by, so काफी relatable है. और बाकी आप देखिए.
क्या बात है. Nice. Keeping the suspense factor alive, giving थोड़ा बहुत information. But thank you so much to all three of you for joining me over here. It's a pleasure. Wish you all the best for each and every future endeavor that you undertake. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. And thank you so much. Looking forward to more interactions in person after this.
For sure. Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you. Pleasure. Lovely.
Bye.